Can this one grip power and prop up your action camera all day? This is a simple and fast review of the Ailight 5000 mAh battery grip with 20-watt PD charger tripod. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this open, you'll find your instruction manual. Sorry, struggling to get this open here. Mini tripod that will screw right in. Then you'll have your actual device here. A couple things to note. First of all, the screw itself seems to be, it's a pain in the neck to kind of get to because it's a good concept, but it's clicking right back in, which doesn't really help me. So, no, that's... It seems to want to just click right back in every time so let me use a tool here, a knife. Love the idea behind this, but don't love how quickly it tries to pop back down. Maybe I'm missing something because that's, oh man, all right, there we go. So that will click in place and go either way, which is nice. That's a better, this one just kept kind of just wants to, from this side, it just wants to stay down, which is really quite annoying. So it's like a comedy act here. Goodness gracious. There we go. So it stays up there, and then of course can screw into things if needed, which is nice. So this is where it's going to screw into the tripod, but as kind of a feature to kind of put into other things, that works. And then this little lanyard is a dual feature lanyard, and we'll explain that here. But this is kind of how you're going to be able to screw into your camera or whatever at the top, and then this piece goes in. So you can use this kind of just as a handhold and or again tripod, and then this will just go right into your camera. But this is where it gets fun, is this will be a two-sided USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is awesome to have that flexibility. So let's make sure we get that back in before we test out too much. And then this kind of slides and adjusts, just so you know. So if you want to kind of make sure it stays in place, just zip down, and those should not come off that way, which is really nice. So it should stay in place. Won't be able to click those out unless you bring this up, and that way it comes out, if that makes sense. So a really nice feature there. And so finally, let's talk about our actual flashlight capability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing. Double click, there we go. So double click gets me a light. And sorting through these, we have flashing SOS. Slower, just strobe, and I'll go ahead and hold it down to turn it off. So again, just a quick double turn turns it on, and then as we press the other buttons, we can cycle through. As you can see, it lights up with our power. So let me hold this again to turn it off. One click will show me my power. Comes fully charged, which is really nice. Input, output right there. Now we're going to test this to the best of my ability to kind of show you. I'm going to fully charge it up, but then we're going to just go ahead and test this out. It looks like it is fully charged, you know, as it comes. I don't know if you can see that over here. Sorry, my cord's only so long. But we'll go ahead and try and test the output on this. Again, this is 5000 mAh, and you have your instruction manual to walk you through kind of some of the features here. And I don't know if this is, no, just figured I'd test out the magnetic capabilities if there were any. But we'll go ahead and test it out. All right, so I'm gonna test out the speed here. We're gonna put this as an input. And we'll just adjust a little bit, and we'll get you the visual here in just a second. So we'll see this thing kick in, power in, and as you can see, it gets up to 19 watts, which is pretty fantastic. And overall, there's a good amount of power, as mentioned, in this. And so the real, question mark became, how fast will this charge? And 19 watt output is a really nice speed for fast charging. And again, convenient grab here. So this thing's totally awesome. Hopefully this review helps you. Thank you for watching, and definitely worth buying.